Excited ang mga supporters ni dating Pangulong Duterte na magbigay ng suporta sa kaarawan niya. Pero malungkot nga ang ibinahagi ng isang netizen or dalawa sila matapos nga na ang cake na binili nila sa Goldilocks ay hindi lagyan ng dedication. Mula sa nasabing Facebook page ni Amamdi Cabase Poras, sinabi niyang bought a cake for tomorrow's celebration. To my dismay, they refused to write the Tatay Digongs on the cake. Grabe, name lang, name ni walang happy birthday. Gusto lang daw nilang maging neutral. Yan ba ang neutral? So bawal na name na Digong sa cake? Really? Goldilocks? Say naman ng isa, I usually buy cake on yours and nothing wrong. You always put the dedication. This is what happened today. Why? Well, iba't iba nga ang naging reaksyon dito ng mga netizen. Dahil na din sa pag-refuse ng Goldilocks na iligay ang dedication para kay dating Pangulong Duterte ay nanawagan ng boycott Goldilocks ang mga netizen. Anila, boycott Goldilocks please. Mas mabuti pa ang cake ng Julius kahit gaano kaliit kasya pa yung name ni Tatay Digong doon. Ahahaha, say naman ng isa, mag-red ribbon na lang kayo, boycott Goldilocks. Say naman ng isang netizen, in fairness to Goldilocks, the branch where my sister-in-law brought a cake, pumayag naman na isulat ang message na gusto nila. Yung branch na hindi pumayag, dapat yun sila warningan ng mismong Goldilocks na dapat respetuhin nila ang values ng company. Ng ilang mga netizen, DDS po siguro yung pumayag. Why did the management tolerated bias service? Asa man nga area tong maka-BBM damay-damay lang sa uban branch. Baka BBM ang manager ato? Hahaha. Say pa ng ilan, sa statement daw ng Goldilocks ay wala man lang sorry. Walang sorry kaya no to Goldilocks na. E di wow, sana magkasala ka din. Say naman ng isa, balang araw at sabihin ka rin ng walang sorry, good luck. True, binasa ko pa ulit-ulit, baka di ko lang naintindihan. They are aware and yet they don't apologize. Anyway, narito nga ang statement ng Goldilocks sa viral na cake nilang walang dedication. Anila, to our dear customers, we are aware of an isolated incident involving a cake greeting that has raised concern online. At Goldilocks, we truly believe in messages that celebrate, uplift, and bring people together, reflecting the joy and togetherness we've always valued. We are always happy to accommodate personalized messages on cakes that have space especially designed for greetings. We understand how much this moment mean, and we're taking steps to ensure every customer feels seen, included, and celebrated in every store, every time. Well, siguro nga ay mga branches ito or franchise. Kaya naman, depende siguro sa may-ari ng franchise ang kanilang desisyon. But anyway, wala ngang apologize or sorry or apology ang nasabing statement ng Goldilocks. Yan ang ating showbiz love update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.